Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Arlene Ariota, 32 years old. I'm married. I have one son. My height is 139 centimeter and my weight is 50 kilogram. I finished my college course in 4 years. My course is Bachelor Hotel and Restaurant Management. I recently worked here in Philippines for 2 years. I served 3 members of the family. My main duties is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, washing clothes, and taking care the children. If you choose me, ma'am, I will do my very best and I will promise to be patient, honest, and hardworking, ma'am. Thank you.